divide 924 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 924 divided by 6 is 154. So this much for today and thanks for watching.